everybody, this is Nikita and you are watching Indian Legal Wing. In this video, we will discuss about some basic but confusing legal terms. I hope you will find this video useful. We will discuss about the basic difference between Act, Ordinances, Bills and Rules. To understand this, we need to see what are the organs of the government. So, the organs of the government are Legislative, Executive and Judiciary. The work of legislative is to make laws, whereas executive has to implement those laws or execute those laws. The work of the judiciary is to interpret those laws and maintain peace and order in the country. Legislative is known by the name of Indian Parliament, which consists of President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Next is Executive. Executive consists of President, Vice President, Prime Minister and his cabinet. Lastly, the judiciary consists of Supreme Court, High Court and subordinate courts. I hope you have understood till now. Moving ahead to the main thing, let's suppose the new law has been made in the country. So for that, the first step is to make a draft. Now this draft is presented in both the houses of the parliament. As soon as this draft is presented in both the houses of the parliament, it becomes a bill. Now, if this bill gets passed by both the houses and president also gives his assent, it will become an act. So this is a very small difference between bill and act. As we all know, parliament has three sessions: budget session, monsoon session and winter session. All the acts are passed in these sessions only. But if parliament is not in session and then at that time there is some emergency to bring new laws, then that time ordinance is passed. It is passed by the President on the recommendation of Union Cabinet. Similar powers have been given to the state governors also. Article 123 of the Constitution of India talks about the ordinance making power of the President. Now there is a similarity between Act and Ordinance, as they both apply to people and both of them have to take care that there is no violation of other laws. But the main difference is the validity. The validity of ordinance is 6 months plus 6 weeks, because the gap between the sessions of the parliament is 6 months, and after it is over, parliament then within 6 weeks decide whether to pass the ordinance or dismiss it. So if the ordinance is passed by the parliament, it will become an act. Now let's understand rules. The three organs which we had discussed in the starting of the video, out of that one is legislative. Legislative, which makes laws, and parliament then make acts. And second one is executive, which implement laws. So for that implementation of acts and laws, the executive makes rules for implementing it on the citizens. Also note that if central government, that is parliament, is making acts or laws, then the rules will be made by the central executive. However, for the state, if state government is making laws or acts, the rules will be made by the state government only. That's all for today. I hope you have understood the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.